Happy good morning. Good morning. Hi, Sunny. Today we're doing a collab with Gigi from Gigi's Creations. Cool. We're completing a Search for Less challenge, and all the creators participating in this collab can be found at #SearchForLessChallenge. What are we making? We're going to make these clay Easter eggs from Pottery Barn. But we don't have any clay. That's okay. Let's show everyone how we can fake the look ourselves and make our very own for a lot less. Yay! Let's get started. First, we'll need 3 balloons. Here, Sunny, you're full of hot air. Why don't you fill these up for us? Very funny. I know Pottery Barn only offers 2 sizes, but I like an odd number, so we're making 3. Yep, you're odd all right. I'm making 2 of the sizes to match the Pottery Barn version and a cute little tiny one for our 3rd Easter egg. Next, you'll need a shallow dish with some water and toilet paper. Dip the toilet paper into a little bit of water. Depending on the strength of the paper, some will be easier to wring out and lay flat. Are you saying some types of toilet paper might be crappy to work with? Sunny, this is a family channel. You can't talk like that. Whoopsie. But yes, don't make this project with only 1 ply. Continue placing toilet paper on each balloon until it's mostly covered. Leave the bottom of the egg, which is the top of the balloon, uncovered. This will become the base later on. For our next layer, you'll need a continuous stream of toilet paper and a matching length of jute. Glue along the long edge of the teepee. Press the jute into the glue and begin rolling as tightly as possible. Run another bead of glue along the end and seal tightly by twisting your strand over and over. You will do this same technique 6 more times for the smaller strands. Glue or Mod Podge your entire egg. Now run a bead of glue in 3 equal distance spaces along one side of your egg. Press the smaller strands into the glue to secure into place. Let's do the same for the other side of the egg and set aside to dry. Use glue or a mixture of glue and water to cover your entire egg again. Be sure to cover the tops of the strands as well. Press more toilet paper onto the glued surface. You can wet your paintbrush to help press the paper into place. Lastly, cover the top of each egg with a single toilet ticket. Press firmly into each divide to maintain your 3-dimensional look. Your layers might still be thin or see-through, and that's okay. We're adding our last layer of paper by using a mixture of glue, water, and white paint. Be sure to let this layer dry completely before moving on to the next step. Are you ready to make the clay-like look of the eggs? Let's mix equal parts of white paint and baking soda. If you want a thicker textured paste, add more baking soda. It should look like the consistency of toothpaste. Cover your entire egg with this mixture and set aside to dry. Okay, Sunny, what do you think? Do they look similar to the Pottery Barn eggs? Yes, they're good, but I think they're missing something. Oh yeah? What's that? Let's paint them Easter colors. Oh, great idea, Sunny. To make the perfect pastel Easter colors, let's mix white with our basic yellow, blue, and red paints. Add more white to obtain a lighter color. For a shabby chic look, use a dry brush and only paint a light coat onto your egg. Now that our Easter eggs are all painted, let's go ahead and pop our balloons. Wow, I can't believe that these don't really pop. Wow, those balloons are really tough. Remove the balloons and trim off the bottom edge. Okay, Sunny, what do you think now?
Better, but it needs something else.
Something else? What's that?
Glitter!
Okay. We'll lightly brush some glue onto various parts of our eggs. I'm using a white glitter on all 3 eggs and giving them a light dusting.
Ooh, it's so cute! This one's already my favorite.
Aw, Sunny, it looks just like you. Okay, Sunny, how about this? Do you like them now?
Like them? I love them!
Oh, I'm so happy you like these sweet little Easter eggs. Let's take a look at the final cost. Pottery Barn's large egg sells for $49.50 and the small egg sells for $29.50. That's a total of $79. Let's take a look at how much we spent. I have most of these items around my house, but I do know how much I spent on each of them. So here's the cost of everything as a package. I also did some more math, which I'll save you the time, to figure out what the total cost was for all 3 eggs, and it came out to $5.91. That's right, $5.91 for these really sweet Easter eggs inspired by Pottery Barn. Thank you so much for watching.
Happy Easter!